Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another episode of Transformation Tuesday. Today we're going to be making a slashed top and slashed leggings, but before we get to that, remember, like this video, comment down below if you want to discuss anything that comes up in the make. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you can hear every time I upload, and if you're new here, hi! Lovely to meet you. So, today we're going to be making a slashed top and slashed leggings. This is the top. I bought it from Primark. I think it was £3.50, and here are the leggings. Again, Primark, £3. So, I saw some tops online, particularly the Dark in Love Twisted top, and some leggings which are an older Necessary Evil item called the Terra Leggings. They're completely out of stock everywhere now, I think. I think you can pick them up on eBay if you want to. But I thought, it's just slashing, why not do a no-sew Transformation Tuesday? Because I know a lot of you are crafting enthusiasts, but I know some of you can't sew. So I thought I would try and do something that everybody can do. So all you need is, like I said before, cheap top. It needs to be high necked. It needs to have a round high necked, because I tried to do this on a low cut top and realised that I was going to end up with the slashes down in my belly. And you need a pair of leggings. They need to not be too tight. So I got a size that fits comfortably. And you need a pair of scissors, a piece of chalk, and some cardboard to put inside it. Oh, and a ruler, of course. So, come with me, watch the make.
You need the top, piece of cardboard to support it, dressmaking scissors, dressmaking chalk or a piece of sharpened chalk, and a ruler. Put the piece of cardboard inside the top to support it, and then using the ruler and the tailor's chalk you mark out lines at regular intervals. I did mine an inch apart and started off at 4 inches long, then 3.5, then 3, etc, etc. You then cut them with the dressmaking scissors and you pull the fabric tight so that it causes the jersey to roll. I tweaked mine because I realised that the holes weren't big enough and it didn't give it a deep enough V. Once you've cut all of the holes, you then thread the fabric under the top one and over, under and over, to make a ladder. When you get to the bottom of each ladder, you snip the ends and tie them in a granny knot. Simple. I then did exactly the same thing to the sleeves. Marked up at 1 inch intervals. I think I started off at 8 centimetres, then 7, then 6, and so on and so forth. And then did lots that were 4 centimetres. You, of course, don't need to be this accurate. I just got really anal with it. Then you cut each one. And then again you do the same laddering. So you take the top piece of fabric and you put it through the hole above it and over, and then you pull the next piece of fabric through the loop that has made. I did the same thing to the leggings, although this time I couldn't be bothered to measure it out, so I just cut it by eye.
Well, Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I've finished them. Now you can see what they look like on. The top is spectacular. It looks really good. I love the way that the slashing in the neck gives it like a V-neck, but without it actually being a V-neck. It looks really sexy, and I really like the way that in the arms it just gives it some texture. I hadn't banked on how much width you would lose in the arms and the legs in doing it though. So luckily the top, the arms are tight. Instead of the knot at the bottom, I'm going to undo the knot and I'm going to sew it because it's a little bit tight on the wrist, but it's nothing I can't handle. The bottoms, however, they're unwearable. I should have found the size that was a little baggy and then gone up a size, because I hadn't appreciated how much width you were going to lose in your legs. And I should have got extra long leggings as well, because it also shortens them. So they look ridiculous. I can't get them up past about halfway up my thigh because it's just lost so much that I can't get them any further up my legs. So that's a shame, but you live and learn. You know, it wouldn't be a make if I didn't have a few failures.
Epic fail!
So I would call this a 50-50. The top is fantastic, the bottoms not so much, but I'm going to buy a pair of the next size up leggings from Primark, and I'm going to have another go because I really want a pair. But I've learned, and you too can learn from my mistakes. So, because I can't wear those leggings out, they look ridiculous. Everybody would see my butt. So, but hey, so here's the top. I think the top's brilliant. I'm really pleased. I mean, it does look a bit weird. You get these kind of banana sleeves, but you know, that's cool. And like I said, I'm going to sew these bits up just so that you don't lose the girth around the wrist. But I mean, sadly, these are unwearable. So if you are a size 6 to 8 and you would like these, comment down below and I will happily send them to you because they're useless to me. So, but hey, you live and you learn. I hope you've enjoyed that transformation. I've certainly enjoyed doing it. I've enjoyed not getting it right. It was good fun. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and remember people, stay heavy.